I chose my biographic retrospective for one artist with this painting, Ignorance Equals Fear, Silence Equals Death. It was created by Keith Haring in 1989. It was a street poster art, and the purpose of this art was to educate the viewers on the issue of HIV and AIDS and the dangers associated with the disease if you engaged in unprotected sex. Keith Haring was born in Reading, Pennsylvania. He loved to draw at a very early age and was an admirer of the Disney, Dr. Seuss, and Looney Tune characters. He was raised in a religious home, and after high school, he studied in a commercial art school, an Ivy League school in Pittsburgh, but realized that this was not the right journey for him. So Haring moved to New York City in the Lower East part and enrolled in a school of visual arts. Haring was introduced to an alternative art that was happening in the streets and the subways of New York City. And this really intrigued him. He started his own art in the subways and the streets with white chalk. And he developed a cartoony style imagery that was relatable to the public eye. His expertise was in murals. He was known and named as being a respected rebel artist to the streets of New York City, and he preferred outside, indoor, large canvases that allowed him to act on his causes and ideas in art. This artist was gay and an activist for gay rights and the LGBT community. He was also an advocate for AIDS and HIV, which became many focal points in his artwork. At the height of his career, by using his artwork to be an advocate for a devastating disease, he contracted AIDS and later died from complications associated with this disease at the age of 31. He founded the Keith Haring Foundation, which is an organization that allocates resources to research and find a cure for this devastating disease of HIV and AIDS.